afternoon, or evening, ladies and gentlemen. How is everybody doing today? I hope this video, I don't know what a audio is, but I hope this video finds you well and in good spirits, guys. I hope you were able to get some time to recharge and relax over the weekend, do some fun things that you like to do and all of those sorts of things. This video is going to be to explain exactly what we're going to be doing this week. And exactly what I want you guys to do and, what's coming up and what to expect. All right. Before you take and even look at the assignments, I want you guys to go ahead and make sure you look at the attendance assignment. That's how I know you were here. That's how you get marked present or absent for your digital day. All you have to do is click on that assignment. You can view it. It'll tell me a little bit more than it tells you. It doesn't have it for me here, but if you look over on this side, usually there's the turn in box. Excuse me, guys. Sorry. All you got to do is click the turn in box, and that tells me, you were here. This way I know you were present, and you are all set, and you're good to go, and you are marked present for the day once you turn that in, okay? So just please make sure you do that. So the plan for today, I have a set of notes that I'd like you guys to look over the PowerPoint that we've been working on so far and answer the questions. So you're going to look through the PowerPoint here, guys. Now, for those slides that look like this, you're going to start on the left and go down, and then you're going to go to this column here, and this would be the third bullet point you were looking at. So, looking at this slide and using this slide as an example, delegates from each state met to discuss the Articles of Confederation. The plan was to revise the Articles, but the delegates created the Constitution instead. George Washington was unanimously selected to be the leader of the Constitutional Convention. Okay, so you work your way down and then you move over to the right. All right, it's like two columns in a book. Same thing here. You look at the Virginia plan and the New Jersey plan first. And then you look at the Great Compromise and you see that they created the Senate and the House, where the Senate gets 2 representatives for each state. And in the House of Representatives, the number of representatives for each state is decided by population. Okay? So you start on the left, you go all the way down to the bottom, then you move over to the right. That's how you read these slides. Okay, guys? So you're going to find all of the information you need. Here are the questions. They're pretty easy. They're pretty straightforward. This might be the only one that's going to trip you up, and I'm going to be checking for this just to make sure everybody gets it correct and everybody gets it right. And I'll be making comments on this one just to take and make sure everybody knows what the Great Compromise is. Okay, guys? But it's 13 questions. It should be pretty easy, should be pretty straightforward. All of the information is right in those slides. There is no information you have to make an educated guess based on what you know or anything like that. Okay, guys? So it's pretty straightforward. So that is the digital lesson for today. Tomorrow, we're going to take a look at the 3 branches of government. We're going to make sure we've got that all down pat and all squared away. The digital lesson for tomorrow and Wednesday is just to watch these videos. You're going to start with the making of the American Constitution, the one that's got the flowers and says 1787 in the top right corner. And then you're going to move on to how is power divided in the United States government. These 2 take a look at the creation of the government and what the government looks like as a whole. And then the next 3 videos look at the Bill of Rights. So we're going to review what we've been talking about here, and then we're going to preview what we're going to be talking about either starting the end of this week or the beginning of next week, guys. All right, so that's the plan. That's what we're going to do. Okay. So that's what I want you to do for the digital day for Tuesday, Wednesday. All of these videos totaled out will be about 20 minutes. So it's nothing major, nothing too long. You should be able to do that pretty easily. There are no questions that go with it, but I just want you to take and watch those just so you review what we've learned and you get a preview of what we're going to talk about. All right, guys. So that's that. For the Thursday, Friday, we're going to talk about checks and balances and talk about how the government balances out power and balances the 3 branches balance each other. And then for the digital lesson, what you guys are going to do is you're going to work on the last section of key terms, 21 through 25. Okay, there's no reason that you shouldn't be able to finish this Thursday, Friday, so that you have no homework over the weekend. And once you finish these guys, there's only 5 terms. you can also take and work on, if you have not finished the Creating the Constitution notes, should be able to work on those Thursday, Friday, which means that you should have all your homework that is due next week done so that you don't have any homework over the weekend. This should be manageable and this should be doable. All right. So that lays out what we're going to be doing for this week, guys. If anybody has any questions, please let me know. Please reach out to me and I will get back to you as quick as I can. All right. With that said, guys, have a fantastically awesome day, and I will catch you guys tomorrow and Wednesday. Have a great day, guys.